Good morning, esteemed chairpersons, Dr. Meena Belsare Madam, Dr. Padmini Murthy Madam, Dr. Somvanshi Sir, Dr. Ashok Lande Sir, and Dr. Rohini Deshpande Madam. I also welcome all the delegates coming from various cities of Maharashtra. Welcome to this special session. This is my Guru. Dear friend, this is something, we cannot call tribute, but this is to celebrate the success of a teacher. This is just a celebration of a success of a teacher, my Guru. This is made by around 130 people who are spread all over India, out of the India, and they have given us very nice, they have sent us very nice messages regarding Madam, and we have compiled this, and this is a presentation, my Guru. Teaching is both an art and science. Willingness to share skills, knowledge, and expertise, willingness to teach what she or he knows, approachability, availability, and ability to listen, compassion, and genuineness. This is teaching. Obstetric gynec is a branch where one has to be best clinician, best surgeon, best counselor, best organizer, apart from being best accountant, best clerk nowadays. Also, there are some things which are now added like best looker, best dresser, best smiler, possessing huge collection of diamonds, jewelry, etc. Nandita Madam, this was especially for you. But we all agree that there is no alternative to clinical acumen, surgical skill, counseling skill, hard and tons of work for keeping records, being meticulous in each and everything related to the patient. You all will agree, for every important aspect related to obstetric gynec practice, there is a huge impact of the teacher, guide, mentor, under whom you are trained. I believe we all will agree. Medical profession in India has a history of n number of legendary teachers. One of them is our own organizing chairperson of this conference, AMOX 2020, Dr. Pushpa Zungare Somvanshi. Dear friends, presenting Dr. Pushpa Zungare Somvanshi with perception and presentation by students. Madam is a practitioner continuously working, both hands in bracket, another 5 pairs of unseen hands, full of work always, minutely observing sharp eyes, super intelligent brain, precise commands, sharply maintaining legal frame, and loads of positivity towards patient. Teachings from Madam are, she always teaches us, always be a part of your association and remain united always. Update your knowledge and skills from time to time. Always work in a team. Proper documentation and counseling of patient and relatives. You must rush to help your fellow surgeon in all times. You must not hesitate to take help from other surgeons, other gynecologists, other obstetricians, even if they are younger than you. Know your limitations as a surgeon and do not hesitate to refer patient to suitable center. Always do ethical practice. Never criticize your fellow surgeon as you do not know in which situation he or she has worked or operated. Now, one of the most brilliant student of Madam, Dr. Lalita Lokhande.
Having Madam as a teacher and mentor is like a prayer fulfilled from God Almighty. There is nothing more or better to ask for left. She is perfection personified, a true teacher in all its sense. She commands respect from everybody, naturally from within. Practice before you preach seems to be her slogan. She is very punctual at all tasks assigned, better than the students. She has a computer-like memory and meticulousness which is unmatched, so you cannot bluff her in any way. She remembers all her patients, old and new, by their names with all their details. She is a generous guru who believes in giving all knowledge that she possesses to her shishya. She has a perfect judgment of a student's strength and weaknesses. The more you know her, the more you are awestruck by her qualities. Madam, I have always felt cozy and secured with you. Thank you. In my life, I have seen two ladies working, my ma and the second, my Guru Ma. Hard work and madam are the two sides of the same coin. I have seen and followed her very closely when I was a house officer at a hospital. That was my learning and constructive phase, and I was at the proper place with a proper person. Seeing her working from early morning hours and throughout the day without getting tired and still ready with the same zeal for late night calls was just amazing. Her hard work was efficiently seen in her household work too. What I am today in my field, I owe to her.
Nilima said that we all bloomed with power-packed sunlight showered by you, madam.
काही लोक जीवनात असे असतात की त्यांच्याबद्दल काय बोलावे ते कळतच नाही, आणि काही असे असतात की कुठून सुरुवात करावी आणि कुठे थांबावं. खरं का हा टॉपिक असा आहे, इट वॉज व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट टू कंपाइल द थिंग्स, टू स्पीक few words about somebody to whom you cannot compile in words, but Pranjal madam has made our job very easy. She had divided the things to कोणी कोणा म्हणजे कोणत्या एका क्वालिटीवर मॅडम बद्दल बोलायला पाहिजे. सो गुड मॉर्निंग एव्हरीबडी. सच अ ग्रेट इव्हेंट सो फार. आय होप यू ऑल आर हॅव्हिंग गुड टाइम्स. गुरुर् ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णू गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. I feel so honored today to be given an opportunity to speak a few words about my Guru and all our respected and beloved Dr. Somavanshi Madam. She has been a guide, a mentor and a support system for me throughout my career, right from my student phase at BDMC to this day as a student person whenever I need any professional guidance. Somavanshi Madam is one of the most humble and down-to-earth person I have ever came across. She is a pillar of strength, not just for me, but for all the entire gynec fraternity of Amravati. For me personally, I have learned a lot from her over the years by getting an opportunity to work with her, to observe her during many surgeries. She has an art of performing the surgeries with minimum instruments. Never seen her get angry or frustrated when something is not available, and yet she gets the best results. I have seen her performing vaginal hysterectomy with 4 artery forceps and 4 LEs and only 1 clamp, still no blood loss, and she was very cool. I have so many memories when her support and reassurance has given me tremendous confidence. I would like to share one such very special memories with you all. I had a very critical VIP patient, and for her surgery we needed a madam's guidance. It was late in night hours, around 10:30, and it was madam's birthday. Very hesitantly I gave a call explaining the situation to her, and in next 10 minutes she was by our side in the OT. Even after the surgery was over, she stayed back and with us and ensured that everything was under control and celebrated her special day with us before leaving. It is this confidence that whenever we need an expert advisor, madam is just a phone call away, that gives us so much strength to tackle any situation. Her way of dealing with extreme situation with utmost patience and calmness provides us peace of mind whenever she is around us. Hats off, madam. We Amravatikas are very lucky to have you with us. I can't imagine any complicated surgery without your presence in Amravati. Just your presence gives us all the strength we need to be successful. Thank you very much for being the person you are and always being there for me in the moments of need. मला आयुष्यात कोणी विचारलं की तुला कसं बनवायचं आहे, we all have दिस मेमरी की थोडासा एक गुण तरी मॅडम सारखा आम्हाला यायला पाहिजे. थँक्यू सो मच. वी लव यू मॅडम. always pray for best health to you so that many more perfect chances can be created. Madam, always pray for best health to you so that many more perfect chances can be created.
Madam, you are the backbone of Amravati Obstetric Society. Madam is known for her academic excellence. We are amazed at how she has answers on her fingertips for all clinical issues. We feel so proud when we see her delivering talks and speeches at various platforms. She is the guiding force behind the emergency squads and clinical campuses, debates and quiz which we conduct regularly. Madam, let this smile always be a part of your life. Thank you, ma'am.
Good morning. I mostly deal with high-risk obstetric cases being attached to a critical care unit. Sometimes high-risk cases at highest limit of risk, giving highest levels of adrenaline rush. Ma'am arrives silently within no time of call. Simple and dimple on her cheek immediately brings down emergency from highest to the lowest level, thus letting us sweat to dry. She is having eagle's eye, and what to say about her intelligence? Unmatchable. She is just perfect. One more example I want to give. Today in front of this August gathering, I am here. She has given me a new life because during my first pregnancy, I went into atonic PPH and madam, because of you, I am here. Thank you so much, ma'am. I am always your silent admirer, always, you know. Thank you so much.
Good morning, everyone. I first saw Madam in 1994 in a crisp star sari. A majestic impression it was. I am always amazed whenever I see her. Same look, same frame, same work, same tone, same vigor. 25 years have passed down, but she is still the same. Madam, you are an idol for someone who is keen for physical fitness. Blessed to have you as a guru in my life. Apart from many other qualities, you are also a style icon for many of us. Thank you, ma'am.
Dear friends, Madam is a very hardworking and disciplined. She is dedicated to her job to the extreme and is available in emergency at all times. Patient is the most important one in her life, is what she always says. And we have experienced. Any of her students will definitely say that apart from the subject, she also teaches life skills, or one can learn just by observing her. Her striking qualities are many. Time management, especially while juggling with multiple tasks. Rock stable and undeterred in difficult situations, ready to learn new things, organizational skills, continuous pursuit to excel, and many more. God must have had a tough time while sculpturing Dr. Pushpa Zungare Somvanshi Madam, whose Midas touch prepares many surgeons, thereby helping the womanhood.
I lost my mother many years back, and I have always seen a mother in her. I thank Madam for all she has done for me. Thank you, Madam.
We are not gender biased. This is proven by the next thing, that not only we women are presenting my guru, but we are having opinions from the male doctors who are trained under her. So, to start this funny, but we are your sunny Madam, I call upon Dr. Ashish Mashankar to share.
Thank you, प्रांजल. यावेळेस मला तो शशी कपूरचा डायलॉग आठवतो की तुमच्याजवळ काय आहे. मेरे पास माँ है, मेरे पास गुरु है. It is a perfect description, madam. Thank you.
One of the leading gynecologists abroad have sent male gynecologists. Impressing madam always was the motto for every student. Hiding some special qualities remained in my priorities list. Colgate twice or thrice a day before round with her probably kept me in her non-smoker zone. I left smoking long back, but truly madam, I tried to hide this from madam more than from my parents. Another student who is settled at Mumbai, he has 4-year-old very lovely daughter. He said, I am not having any guilt to disclose that when my mother asked me for a type of wife, she should search for me. And my answer was, someone like Somvanshi madam. Dear friends, he is a die-hard fan of perfection and so of madam. Then there were many students who have given this opinion. There used to be a competition among us in boys' hostel. Students, the one who can appreciate madam for something like this sari suits you in front of everybody. And after a grand practice, that person won. Man, I won. But my room partner surpassed me within 2 months on Holi by playing Holi with her. Madam, I wish all beautiful colors on the earth be always with you. Now I request Dr. Lalita madam for this prayer which madam has. There is one student whose mother was student of Somvanshi madam. She today came in the morning and she said, madam, I want to share something. So I invite her, Dr. Praveena Kale.
Good morning all. I am Ms. Praveena Kale. I have just recently given my final MBBS exam and waiting for the results. Madam is my idol, my inspiration. I salute you, ma'am. She was my guide for the ICMR research project. So I am very lucky that ma'am accepted me as a student and she guided me. I have so many close events with her. I have shared so many. She have taught me in such a beautiful way that I have no words to express. For the way you teach, ma'am, the knowledge you share, the care you take and the love you show, you are simply the best. Thank you, ma'am. 2 lines for you. Just seeing you smile makes my day, and I want to be your shadow all the way. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, you are role model for me. You teach us womanhood is itself a complete sentence. And you teach us how to balance your family life, your academics with your profession completely. Thank you.
Pranjal and all, I think you have not covered one point of ma'am's. She is a very good mom. With all her responsibilities of organizing the conference, of the responsibilities of the college, and responsibilities at home in her own hospital, she has given 10 days to take care of one of the family members. I don't want to go into the details. That was really, I was really astonished, and I really admire you for that, ma'am.
Dr. Lalita Mulmule, madam's classmate.
पुष्पा, सगळ्यांनी इतकं कौतुक केलं, खूप खूप अभिमान आहे. आणि कारण याच्यासाठी जास्त अभिमान आहे की ती माझी क्लासमेट आहे. कॉंग्रॅट्स पुष्पा.
Madam has also taught us even how to pray to the Almighty. Give me work when I am young. Let there be no unexpected death on the operation table. Let no swabs or forceps remain inside the abdomen. Let me not cross a point of no return during an operation. Let there be some help available in a critical situation. Let my skillful hands not make me arrogant. Keep me away from the temptations of money and ego. Let the invisible enemies, the microbes, not infect the patient. Give me the wisdom to quit in time. Give me good health to enjoy the evening of my life. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Now to conclude with some melodious thing, I call upon the stage Dr. Asha Thakre, madam. Madam, we request you to please come on the stage.
पुष्पा किती भाग्यवान आहे. पुष्पावर प्रेम करणारे किती तिचे विद्यार्थी आहेत. हे तर इथे फक्त 5-10 लोक होते, पण असे शेकडो आहेत. आणि आम्हाला खूप खूप अभिमान वाटतो की पुष्पा ही आमची मैत्रीण आहे. तशी मैत्रीण आहे, पण तसं पाहिलं तर ती आमची देखील गुरुच आहे. आणि म्हणून आमच्या सगळ्या वतीने मी तिला ह्या 4 ओळी डेडिकेट करते.
हमें और पढ़ने की चाहत न होती, हमें और सीखने की चाहत न होती, अगर तुम न होते, अगर तुम न होते, है और पढ़ने की चाहत न होती, अगर तुम न होते, अगर तुम न होते, हर एक गुण तुम्हारा उठाएंगे मन से, हुनर को तुम्हारे संभालेंगे दिल से, हर एक गुण तुम्हारा उठाएंगे मन से, हुनर को तुम्हारे संभालेंगे दिल से, सफलता की राहों पे कदम कैसे चलते, सफलता की राहों पे कदम कैसे चलते, अगर तुम न होते, अगर तुम न होते, अगर तुम न होते, अगर तुम न होते.
पुष्पाबद्दल एक वाक्य, ती लहानांना तर सांभाळतेच, पण ती मोठ्यांचाही खूप सांभाळते. धन्यवाद.
I request our beloved patron, Dr. Mandakini Meg Madam, to felicitate Madam.
डिअर फ्रेंड्स, मला तुमच्यासोबत बिलकुल शेअर करायला आवडेल आमच्या डिअर पुष्पाबद्दल बोलायला. आमचा एक अमरावतीचा मोठा छान होळी ग्रुप आहे आणि बहुतेक सगळ्यांनी कोणी तिचा हा गुण सांगितला नसेल. जेव्हा ती होळीच्या ग्रुपमध्ये आमच्यासोबत येते तेव्हा इतकी लहान आणि आमच्या लहान मैत्रिणींसारखी वागते आणि इतकी छान होळी एन्जॉय करते की तेव्हा असं वाटतच नाही की ही आमची गुरु इथे असलेली तितकी लहान होऊन आमच्यासोबत एन्जॉय करते. थँक्यू.
I call upon chairpersons on the stage to felicitate Madam.
This is a very wonderful moment. Dr. Somvanshi sir is felicitating Madam, and Dr. Somvanshi sir gave a standing ovation to Madam. It's a very important thing for a wife from a husband. So please give a big round of applause to our Madam.
Right.